Hello everybody. Okay, so everybody, the last time we did J. So let's remember jacket, jump, jug, right? Jacket, jump, jug. Jacket, jump, jug. Oh, jacket, jump, jug. All right. Today we will do K. So first we have to write here K, K, okay? And then we will write down what the rest is. So first we write nicely, and then like that, K. And what do we have here? What starts with K? This is a kite. Okay? Kite. Now I want you to write underneath here K-I-T-E. Kite. The next one, all right. This is a king. So this guy, you see? King. Let me write here. K-I-N-G. King. The last one. Key. Key. We write down here K-E-Y. Okay, and then here, of course, you have our 3 lines 1, 2, 3, and you write K, big K, 1, like that. Okay, like that, and then small K, like this. Bing, 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 bing. Okay, so you write the K, 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 and here as well. Okay, guys? So, kite, king, key. Write it down. And now I will rub it out, okay? And we will turn the page over to the next page. And here we see, let's read. Find and trace J and K. So we have to get the big J, small J, J and K. Okay? So what do they have here? Let's see. Oh, much better. So we have to look for these here. And when we see it, we trace it. There's a J, J, K, K, J, J, K, K. Here we go, that's it. Okay, and then the next one, what do we have here? So for this one, you have to look. For example, this one is king. So here we have to write K. Okay, so let's draw it and let's see. So this will rub out. And here we have the girl with the kite, right? So remember, this is kite. King. Key. Jug. Jacket. All right. What else is it? G, Jack, King. Yeah. So. Kite. Is it a K? K or J? K or J? Kite. K. Kite. K or J? K. Jacket. J. Jacket. K or J? J. Jacket. King. K or J? K. King. K. Jug. K or J? Jug. K. J. J. Key. K or J? Key. Key. K. Okay, there we go. So that's that one. So we have kite, K, jug, J, key, K, king, K, jacket, J. The last one is match and write. You have to make a line to the correct one, okay? So for example, match and write. So we have, this is number 7, right? So we have kite there, like that. Ping, ping, ping. We have the king. We have the key. Okay? And at the bottom it says, it is a king. Then it says, it is a key. Last one, it is a kite. So let's read this one. It is a king. So where should it be? This one, or this one? It is a king. So you draw a line. It is a key. This one or this one? It is a key. The last one. It is a kite. Of course. The last one. Alright everybody, so say after me. I say, you say, okay? It is a king. It is a key. It is a kite. Okay guys? Very good. Bye bye.